Organic analysis. The fingerprint region, the region below 1500 centimeters to power minus 1 is between 500 centimeters to power minus 1 and 1500 centimeters to power minus 1. Impurities produce extra peaks in the fingerprint region. Infrared spectroscopy. A beam of infrared radiation passes through chemical covalent bonds, increasing the vibrational energy. Now, I don't know if you need to know this, so I'm actually going to just have a quick look on the specification. Phone's taking a while. Don't know why. Okay, we are back now. Perfect. We are back. So, AQA A-level chemistry specification. And just by the way, obviously tomorrow is the exam day. I will be going through these flashcards again tomorrow in the morning, obviously. You can definitely rely. I will definitely go through these flashcards again tomorrow with you guys. Organic analysis acceptable. So I think that's it for organic analysis, because that's elimination. Yeah, we know what elimination is. Elimination. Yep. Rational functional groups, and then obviously mass spectrometry to molecular formula of a compound, bonds in a molecule, absorbing infrared radiation. Yep. Okay, so infrared spectroscopy. Beam of infrared radiation is passed through a chemical. Infrared is absorbed by covalent bonds, increasing vibrational energy. Peaks show you where radiation is absorbed, and peaks in infrared spectrum point downwards. Use of high resolution mass spectrometers is that it is useful to identify compounds that appear to have the same Melvin round nearest whole number. Basically, high resolution mass spectrometers we can measure atomic and mass numbers to accurately several decimal places. Molecular iron produces a molecular iron peak on the mass spectrum of the compound, and any compound, the mass charge value of the molecular iron peak is the same as the molecular mass of the compound. Carboxylic acid test. Now you need to be very careful with this test, as this test will give a positive result with any acid. So you can only use this to distinguish between organic compounds where you know one is in the carboxylic acid. Test for carboxylic acid, you just add 2 centimeters cube of solution in water to test tube, and 1 small spatula, solid sodium carbonate. Solution begins to fizz, bubble gas produces through lime water. Solution carboxylic acid, solution will fizz, and carbon dioxide gas produced. You get silver mirror with tolerance reagent because the Ag plus ions are reduced to silver atoms. Yep, aldehyde reduces Ag plus ions to silver atoms. The test tube must be heated in water bath rather than flame, because aldehyde and ketones are flammable. So you just, again, these flashcards are kind of necessary. You just place the test tube in hot water bath, add the aldehyde ketone, aldehyde silver mirror form to test tube ketone, nothing happens. How to make tolerance reagent. You know, so many students just forget this. I remember I was going through it, and one of my friends was like, you don't need to know this, do you? Do you need to know this? You do need to know this. It is on the spec, how to make tolerance reagent. So basically, you add 2 centimeters cube of 1.0 or mole per minus cube of silver nitrate solution. You add a few drops of dilute sodium hydroxide, a light brown precipitate is formed, and then you add drops of dilute ammonia until the brown precipitate dissolves completely. That's it. And then how to use Phalanx Benedicts to distinguish between aldehyde ketone. Add 2 centimeters cube of Phalanx Benedicts, add 5 drops of aldehyde ketone, place a hot water bath. If it's an aldehyde, blue precipitate, blue solution cube of brick red precipitate ketone, nothing happens. You add excess alcohol, 2 centimeters cube of acidified potassium dichromate, a round bottom flask. Gently heat the flask, the alcohol will be oxidized, and we can collect in the flask. Perfect. Because the orange dichromate ion Cr2O72 minus being reduced to the green chromium 3 plus ion Cr3 plus. Color change from primary alcohol, color change from secondary alcohol. Orange solution turns green. Aldehyde formed, orange solution slowly turns green as ketone forms. Come on, guys. You should know that. Come on, guys. I'm getting rid of that one. If you don't know that by now, please go through that. You definitely need to know that. Oxidized alcohol is acidified potassium dichromate. Add 10 drops of alcohol to 70 cubic acidified potassium dichromate. Warm mixture gently in hot water bath, and then watch the color change.